Be learning about partial fraction and their use in integration. So we're gonna do it by type 1, which is non-repeated linear factor. To explain this, let me show you an example. Suppose we have a question like this: x dx upon 2x plus 1 times x plus 1. So we cannot solve this in normal way, so we have to use partial fraction, which I'm going to explain right now. So we have copied the term. Now we have to split it in fractions. A upon 2x plus 1 plus b upon x plus 1, where a and b are constants. So we have to now a little bit simplify this. 2x times x plus 1, a x plus 1 plus b 2x plus 1. So now here comes the main thing. So since the denominators of both sides are equal, so the numerator must also be equal. So we can write x is equivalent to a times x plus 1 plus b times 2x plus 1. So now we have to solve this to get the values of a and b. So we can use three methods. First method is comparing coefficients. So what we have to do is we can write the equation like this: x plus 0 is equals to x times a plus 2b plus a plus b. So we see this is equivalent to this, means equals to this, and this is equals to this. So 1 is equals to, taking all the constants value, 1 is equals to a plus 2b and 0 is equals to a plus b. Solving this equation, we get b equals to plus 1, and substituting value of b in this equation, we get a equals to 1 minus 1. So now we can put the value of this and we can solve our question like this: x, the integration of a, we have to put here value minus 1 dx upon 2x plus 1 plus integration of 1 dx upon x plus 1. Now simply we know how to solve this. It is equivalent to half ln mod 2x plus 1, and this is equivalent to ln mod x plus 1 plus c. Now here is the answer. So this can be done by another method, which is called, this was number 1 and this is number 2, which is substitution. So basically we will just copy the equation down here. X is a is x plus 1, b 2x plus 1. So we have to put values of x so that we can find the values of a and b. So first we have, this is hit and trial method. We have to take any value of x so that we can eliminate one term and we can get value of something like this. So we know that if we'll put x equals to 0, this gets 0 0 0 and we cannot find any value. If we put x equals to 1, we will get another equation. So we have to think smartly, and we'll see that if we take x equals to minus 1, we'll get this equation: minus 1 is equal to a minus 1 plus 1 b 2 times minus 1 plus 1. So as it turns out, this minus 1 is equals to minus b. So b equals to 1, ta-da, and we have the value of b. So now again we can do like this. If we again copy the equation: x equals to a x plus 1 b 2x plus 1. So if we put here the value of x equals to minus half, so we'll put here x minus half, a minus half plus 1 plus b 2 into minus half plus 1. So on solving this, we again get minus half equals to half a. This all gets cancelled up and a is equals to minus 1. We see that in both cases we got the value of a and b 1 and minus 1 respectively. So we can again do this, putting this value I will put here, and we can get the same answer. The third method which I will talk about is this method I have invented, or what I have learned. I call it hack or short trick. It is very useful for this particular types only, non-repeated linear factors, which is this, that you see that if we copy this one again here, x upon 2x plus 1 times x plus 1 equals to a 2x upon 1 plus b x upon 1. I'm warning you, this is not a logical method, but it works very good and works 100%. So this method we can use in for time saving purpose or in entrance examinations like that. So the method works like this. If we cut this 2x plus 1 with this, so and we'll check that a will be equals to x upon x plus 1. Now substituting value for this will substitute to equals to 0, like this. 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. X turns out to be minus half. So we'll now put the value of x minus half upon minus half plus 1, which is equals to minus 1. So we'll now do the same for b. We'll cut x plus 1 from both sides. b is equals to x upon 2x plus 1. So we'll now substitute x plus 1 is equals to 0, x equals to minus 1. So now putting value of x, minus 1 upon 2 into minus 1 plus 1, which turns out to be plus 1. We see that in all the three processes the value of a and b are same. Go try all the processes, and if you have any problem, comment below. And if you did like my video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.